How to manage the clipboard on your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can manage the clipboard on your phone. The clipboard is where your texts that you copied on your phone are stored. If you are a person who often copies something on your phone, then it is very convenient to have the option to manage your copied texts. Now it is possible with the trick that I will show you. All you have to do is open the link in the video description. This will open a page where you can download the shortcut. When the page opens, simply click on the Get Shortcut button in the lower part of the screen. A pop-up will appear asking us to open the shortcut application. We will do that by tapping the Open button. A window will appear in the shortcut application and all we need is to tap the button located in the lower part of the screen, and then the Add Shortcut button. When you return to the home screen of the shortcut application, you can see that the Clipster option has appeared. Tap on it. This will activate the shortcut, and in this menu you can manage your copied items. You can save them, show all saved ones, or edit saved ones. And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.